Good evening, folks. We're live at 9:45 p.m. Eastern Time to battle away what's always a hit, a carded 77 back Fett. Love that desert scene card. I got 100 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Somebody's going to be a happy camper this evening. There they are, 1 through 100. I'm going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 10, which means we're good to go. Good luck, everyone. It's a nice one. Here we go. Good luck. Donnie in the top spot for our first round. Matt, round 2. And round 3. Mark, round 4. Sean, round 5. Eric takes round 6. Matt again on top in round 7. Pat, round 8. Andrew Dean in the top spot for our next to last round, round 9. Which brings us to the big one. The final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And the winner is Patrick. I'm not even going to try it. But he's the winner in at number 26. Congratulations. Kolazage? I'm going to say Kolazage. YLHHPZ. Patrick Kolazage is our winner, which means I'm done at 9:47 p.m. Again, there's our official results. Patrick in at number 26 is the champ. Congratulations. See you next time.